Okay, this is the EM1 Mark 1, and I've got mounted there legacy film lens, manual focus on a Fodka adapter. There are no electronic contacts between the two, the body and the lens. I will use this button, if I can see it there. Yeah, that's the one, the FN2 button. And when you press and hold that button, you will be able to switch the function of that button. It's called the multifunction button, to the focus magnify or focus assist feature. Well, let's see whether I can get this to work and show it to you. Okay, now I've got my finger on the FN2 button, and I'll press it down, and I'll rotate the front dial. And notice at the bottom there are several features the multifunction button can perform. The first one is, I'll go to the first one. First one is highlight and shadow control. We're not interested in that. The second one is color creator. We're not interested in that at the moment. And the one that I want to show you is the magnify button. So I'll hold it down and rotate the dial until I get the magnify button, and I'll release it. Okay, now this multifunction button, this multifunction button, FN2, is set to toggle on the focus assist, focus magnify. So I've preset the multifunction button, FN2, to the magnification feature, and now I'll get into position. Hopefully, yep, I've got something here, and now I will tap the FN2 multifunction button. There it is, and then you can see that the feature is now on, and so the magnification feature is now possible. You can see almost a green rectangle showing the magnification. Yeah, I know it's not the right color, but yeah, we'll have to do. Now I tap it again, the function 2 button, and it magnifies. Can you see it magnifies? See, it magnifies, and you can see that it's 3 times magnification. So now I can make it 5 times, 7 times, and 10 times, and 14 times. That's using the front dial, and I'll go back until I get to 3 times, and I have now magnified the view for focus assist. And now if I don't want to magnify anymore and I want to get back to zoom normal composition, I just press the OK with my thumb, and now there is no more magnification icon, and there is no magnification anymore.